Unlock the power of unified lead management by integrating your CRM with Batchleads today. Ready to revolutionize your lead management? This tutorial will guide you step by step through connecting your customer relationship management system to Batchleads, creating a central hub for all your client data and communication. First, navigate to your Batchleads account and locate the Integrations or Settings section. This is where the magic happens. Once in the Integrations menu, you'll see a list of supported CRMs. Find the logo of your specific CRM and click on the Connect or Add Integration button. You'll then be prompted to authenticate your CRM. This usually involves entering your CRM account credentials or providing API keys. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to grant Batchleads the necessary permissions. Batchleads will now establish a secure connection with your CRM. This synchronization ensures that your lead data flows seamlessly between the two platforms. Once connected, you'll notice your lead data automatically populating or becoming accessible through Batchleads. This means all your contact information, deal stages, and communication history are now in one place. This integration significantly streamlines your workflow. You can now send personalized communications directly from Batchleads while automatically updating your CRM with engagement details, saving you invaluable time and effort. By centralizing your lead data, you gain a holistic view of your client relationships, enabling more effective follow-ups and ultimately helping you close more deals, optimize your workflow, and maximize your efficiency with CRM integration in Batchleads.